Can you say "Oh boys is awesome"?
Pardon?
Oh boys is awesome.
Oh boys is awesome.
Very. We're a bunch of hoes. Yeah. I'll blur it out.
With the blunt in my bitch, it's a Dutch master and she a bad chick. We smoking, we drinking. Backwards we blowing, these bitches be gone. VIP seated, the movie flicks on. I'm still in the club. 1 shot, 2 shot, 3, I'm gone. Said 2's, I'm gone.
Shots out, bigger gang cut, we some OGs. K-Bug on the track, it's a back on back beat. All I do is spit heat, what the fuck did you think? Bang! When you live in the valley or you see a place, boots in the dungeon, man, they made me like complete. Smoking by the 8 before a nigga go to sleep. Sleep. Hold stick to my dick like some grass on some cleats. Talk shit about the crease, finna get DP. Finna get DP. On me. And I ain't no killer, but man, I'm my man. First, and I'm already telling people pay me. Don't see what I see, so you can't tell me shit. First time I ate truth, man, I knew I was it.
Bitch. Shit, roll up and face up. 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 You a LA faker. You a LA faker. I'm a LA baker. You a LA faker. You a LA faker. I'm a LA baker. Loud cooling out in the villa. Close-knit circle built up of some killers. No shade at the squad, but they know that they feel us. LA Baker, bitch, what the fuck did you think? Over whole scoring, stay with pup gang. Can mixing up the flow while I'm twisting up the stank. Polo on the garments, I don't never do that. I ain't saying mama through the streets like so you fuck ass nigga better stay off in your lane. Got 12 steps, Dutchie took it straight to the brain. Shit, I'm stumbling up a raw while I'm boarding up a plane. Fuck your bitch once, now she reppin' the game. Said she reppin' the game. Shit, I just touched down from another dimension. Shrooms in the Tesla, you know that I'm trippin'. You know that I'm trippin'. Shrooms in the Tesla, you know that I'm trippin'. Don't do drugs, kids, give them to me. I said don't do drugs, kids, give them to me. I said give them to me. I said don't do drugs, give them to me. Baker gang, fuck your bitch, nigga.